Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys my newest Savannah का haul. इस बार मैंने बहुत सारे पिंक एक्सेसरीज मंगवाई है, from bags, laptop sleeves to night suits वगैरह सब कुछ मैंने मंगवाया है. And I also have hair accessories, beautiful tops as well as cord sets. So yes, without further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. You guys actually have been using my coupon code in order to get discounts and आपको discounts मिल रहे हैं and you guys are actually commenting on my post and my videos, so I just couldn't be happier. So keep doing that. So here's the package. ऐसे करूँगी तो इतने सारे चीज़. Let's start because it's overflowing and I really have to share this beautiful haul क्योंकि इस बार मैंने इतने खूबसूरत चीज़ें मंगवाई है and the quality समर के हिसाब से सारे के सारे मुझे maximum cotton की चीज़ें ही मिले हैं which I am absolutely loving. So let's start with the very first product right here. So the very first product that I have is this lace trim lounge robe. मुझे ऐसा robe चाहिए था क्योंकि मैं शूट करती हूँ ना, तो ऐसा मुझे थोड़ा सा फैंसी robe चाहिए था एज अ प्रॉप, ठीक है. एंड इट इज़ फॉर 990 रुपीज़, बट फिलहाल ये 10% ऑफ में आपको मिल जाएगा एट जस्ट 890 रुपीज़. शायद आपको स्मॉल से एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज तक का मिल जाएगा. आई थिंक मुझे मीडियम लेना चाहिए था, मैं अपने साइज़ में ले ली हूँ एंड ये थोड़ा सा पहनने में दिक्कत आ रही है क्योंकि इट्स नॉट रिलैक्स फिट. मैं एक्चुअली में अपने साइज़ के ले ली हूँ, सो या इट्स अ लिटिल थोड़ा सा टाइट हो चुका है मेरे लिए. आई कैन जस्ट गिव इट टू माई सिस्टर, शी कैन यूज इट. मेरे से वो काफ़ी पतली है एंड छोटी भी है, सो दिस इज जस्ट गोइंग टू बी सो परफेक्ट फॉर हर. लेट मी शो यू व्हाट द इमेजेस लुक्स लाइक. सो दिस इज व्हाट द ब्यूटिफुल लेस वाला रोब लुक्स लाइक. इट्स सुपर ब्यूटिफुल. आई बीन वांटिंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक फैंसी रोब. अनफॉर्चुनेटली थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए टाइट हो चुका है, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं अपना एक साइज बड़ा ऑर्डर करने वाली हूँ एंड इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू लुक सो नाइस. एंड द क्वालिटी यू गाइज, ब्यूटिफुल सैटिन का क्वालिटी है एंड आप कलर देख पा रहे हो. आई ओनली गॉट दिस बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर. सो द लेस डिटेलिंग एट द hem of the sleeve looks like this, super nice, so cute, and it has stripe detailing all over the robe and it looks something like this. आपको कॉलर के यहाँ रिम वगैरह सब कुछ ब्लैक में मिल जाएगा. तो अगर आपको ऐसे फैंसी रोब चाहिए, ये ले लो. आप मुझे थैंक यू बोलोगे. Do not get this in your actual size. Always get this sort of like pajamas, nightwear or this sort of robes just one size larger than your usual size, then आपका fit आराम से होगा. Then I have something that I was not expecting to see here in Savannah, but I literally, when I saw it, I had to just add this to my cart. This is the Bow laptop bag. It was for 790 rupees. मुझे laptop bag मिला from Savannah and it has this very beautiful bow detailing. It was for 790 rupees. आपको 3 कलर्स में मिल जाएंगे, पर जब मैं इसे ऑर्डर की थी मुझे सिर्फ एक कलर में ही दिखा था, that is pink, and right now it is for 632 rupees and it looks something like this. You guys just look at that. It is so cute and this is what it looks like. You guys, it looks so cute. The color is very baby pink in color. It's not chatak pink but very beautiful baby pink in color. And look at this beautiful laptop bag right here. It looks super nice. The cushioning is all right. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी बहुत ज़्यादा cushioning है, but मैं Amazon से भी बहुत सारा laptop sleeves लिया था, but it did not have the best of cushioning inside. So this has a pretty decent cushioning inside. So this is what the beautiful laptop sleeve looks like. आपको दिख रहा होगा बहुत ही प्यारा quilted design है. Then यहाँ आपको bow वाला और हल्का embroidery मिल जाएगा. Then आपको एक handle मिल जाएगा and you get something like this. आपको एक यहाँ compartment मिल जाएगा. You can keep your laptop right here and all your charger cable वगैरह right here. So this is a pretty decent such a cute Pinteresty वाला laptop bag. So अगर आपको एक decent क्वालिटी का very Pinteresty cute so looking वाला laptop bag चाहिए, just head to Savannah, you're getting it for just 630 rupees. मैं कंप्लेन करने ही नहीं वाली क्योंकि मैंने लिया था just plain solid black color का 1200 के आसपास मैंने लिया था from Amazon. So when I saw this, I was like, गया मेरा 1200. I was like, do hell with the black one. I'm definitely getting this. Next, I have this packet of 5 a pair of socks, and it looks like this. मुझे नहीं पता, मैं नया pair of socks खोल के पहनती हूँ, and suddenly when I'm back, I just open my socks and वो गुम हो जाते हैं. I don't know where it goes, but it just vanishes in thin air. मुझे कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. ऐसा करके मैं कितना pair of socks को खो चुकी हूँ ना, इतने पैसे मैं देती हूँ सिर्फ socks के ऊपर, मुझे पता ही नहीं है. So this is a very beautiful 5 pair of socks का pack. Retails for 290 rupees. 5 packs of आपको socks मिल रहा है for just 290 rupees. But फिलहाल ये सिर्फ 200 रुपये में आपको मिल रहा है. And I got the black and white का color. And it looks something like this. Normal पूरा black में मिल जाएगा. Then you have this print right here, super nice. Then we have this pair right here, so cute. Then I have another one. ये teddy का print कुछ है. It looks so cute. Lastly, we have this one right here. If you're someone like me who literally loses their socks every now and then, do not go for expensive ones because you're literally going to lose them again and it's just going to vanish in thin air. Get this. Then I ordered this beautiful sample pack of perfumes from Savannah. Savannah has recently launched their perfumes and I wanted to try all of them, but I was not sure कौन सा मुझे पसंद आएगा. So when I saw them coming out with their trial version, their sample pack, I obviously got this one first. So I have done a detailed review of this perfume, so you can go ahead and check out that video. I'm not going to talk anything about this because मैं पूरा का पूरा review वहाँ कर चुकी हूँ. So go ahead and check out that video. Then I have my most favorite bag from Savannah, जो मैं बहुत टाइम बाद एक बैग ली हूँ from Savannah, and it is this beautiful adjustable buckle shoulder bag. I actually got this for my friend, but the moment I opened this up, I just kept it for myself. मैंने उसके लिए एक और मैंने ऑर्डर करा है. I have this beautiful bag right here, but this is what the beautiful bag looks like, you guys. It also comes with a crossbody strap, but look at this gorgeousness right here. जब मैं इसे खोल के देखी ना, I just couldn't do anything but scream because the color, the size is literally perfect. आपको ये लग रहा होगा काफ़ी ज़्यादा छोटा है, but it actually fits my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I can literally carry my travel size perfume, my lipstick, my lip liner, a hand sanitizer, my card as well as my cash, and I think that is more than enough. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. Handle आपको मिल जाएगा, shoulder strap. Then you have यहाँ आपको आगे में भी थोड़ा सा pockets मिल जाता है. You can open it up like this. Then you have the main compartment right here, and it looks like this. आपको इसके अंदर एक और strap मिल जाता है, but I just kept it away because I've been loving this design rather than the crossbody one because this looks absolutely nice. So if you have been wanting this sort of baby pink blush, bubblegum pink sort of pink bag, please, yakin mano, get this for yourself. You're gonna love me for recommending this. Next, I have this beautiful hair accessory. I actually got this from my friend. So this is the animal hair cloth. Reels for 200 rupees, but you can get this for 200 rupees. She is a cat mom, so mujhe anything cat, she's gonna love it. So I got this for her, and it looks something like this. मैं खोलने नहीं वाली because it's a gift. So this is what the beautiful hair claw clip looks like. Definitely such a nice gift for someone who actually owns cats, is a cat parent. Now I have 2 corsets left and 1 top right here. So let's start with the black corset right here. So this is the lace trimmed corset. Retails for 1490 rupees, but मुझे ये 1200 के आसपास मिल गया था because सेल भी चल रहा था, फ्रीडम सेल या फिर इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेल चल रहा था. So you can also get this in the sizes extra small to large. I think मैंने extra small में ही मंगवाया है. No, small में मंगवाया है. जब मैं ऑर्डर कर रही थी एक्चुअली एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल अवेलेबल नहीं था, तो मैंने स्मॉल मंगवा लिया. So it looks like this. मैं आपको picture दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है? Black cord set looks like I said, I've been enjoying wearing cord sets from Savannah. Top wear looks like this. It's so beautiful. The quality is literally to die for. I know इतनी गर्मी में black पहनना मुश्किल हो जाता है, but अगर ऐसा quality का होता है ना, तो इतने गर्मी में भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रहते हो. So you have this very beautiful lacy detailing around the neck. Then आपको halter neck detailing वाला मिल जाएगा, and it looks like this. Adjustable straps भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. मैं try-ons आपके लिए लगवा दूंगी. Do not worry. So this is what the top looks like. Bottom looks like this. A very solid, simple, straight up pants that is super again comfortable. बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, not at all transparent. You have this elastic waist right here. Then I have another cord set, and this has to be one of the most sophisticated, very chic, elegant fuller cord set that I ever got from Savannah. And it is this beautiful draped cord set. Reels for 1590 rupees. But again, मुझे 1100 या फिर 1200 का मुझे पड़ गया था. And the color is literally to die for. Something I do not wear, but it just turned out to be like the most complementing color on my complexion, on my skin tone is this drab olive color. आपको sizes small से extra large तक का मिल जाएगा, but obviously I went for size small and it looks like this. So this is what the beautiful cord set looks like. आपको normal एक top मिल जाएगा. Then all you have to do is just swirl this around your neck and आगे से आपको ऐसा लेना है. जब मैं पहनूंगी ना तब आपको पता चलेगा, क्योंकि अब मैं दिखाऊंगी तो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं पता चलने वाले. See, then I have the trouser right here. Again, this is pure cotton. जितना बार मैं इसे धोऊंगी ये और भी नरम and soften होते जाएगा. So when I actually saw the material, I was jumping with joy कि इतना खूबसूरत इसका material है. Then the trouser looks like this. Let's check for pockets. What? इसमें pockets नहीं है? The waist looks like this. Elastic आपको waist मिल जाता है. So this is what the next corset looks like. Absolutely a must have. If you have been eyeing a very elegant, very chic sort of corset, literally get this. You're going to love me for recommending this. The last item is a very beautiful belted placket blouse, and it retails for 1290 rupees. मुझे इस पे कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला. आपको कलर्स ऑलिव, येलो as well as black में मिल जाएगा. It looks like this. The color is super nice. It is 100% cotton यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. So this is why I actually went ahead and got this. तो ऐसा कुछ ब्लाउज मिल जाएगा. Again, जब मैं पहनूंगी तभी आपको पता चलेगा. मुझे खुद नहीं पता चल रहा है कि मैं इसे क्या दिखाऊं. So you get the beautiful sleeve. It's a very kaftan sort of style आप बोल सकते हो. Very blazer kaftan sort of style. Then you have the belt right here, again made with the same fabric. यहाँ पे आपको buckle कुछ इस तरीके का मिल जाएगा. So I really cannot just wait to wear this and look super elegant, super nice and super chic. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारे link description box में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर check कर लेना. And you guys actually have been using my coupon code in order to get discounts, and आपको discounts मिल रहे हैं, and you guys are actually commenting on my posts and my videos, so I just couldn't be happier. So keep doing that. Keep on using my coupon code in order to get discounts and offer in your entire Savannah orders. And I will see you guys very, very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.